If you have an old t-shirt and you don't want to throw it away, you want to reuse it for something, this video is for you. This t-shirt is a bit worn out, it has some holes in it. I guess the holes could be fixed, but I need some dust covers. So I'm gonna turn this t-shirt into a dust cover. I'm gonna turn it into a dust cover for the keyboard and for this thing. I'm trying to keep dust away from this editor keyboard, and that's what the t-shirt is for. Okay, so first you have, this is the top. That's the top of the t-shirt right here. That's the bottom side. So I'm just gonna cut under the armpits with the scissors. You can still use this. Simple clean dust. No need to throw it away. You can use it as it is actually. First thing, actually, wash the t-shirt before you begin. So this is a clean t-shirt, it was just washed. And now we have this nice straight piece. And I will really just remove the seams. It doesn't go through. And the seam number 2. Okay. Have two dust covers here. I will use this for the camera actually, but I'm just trying to show you. There's also this one, and it goes like that. I could use it as a dust cloth. Could wipe the dust with it, and then cover it. Perfect. You could even use bed sheets for this, but the t-shirt works perfectly. And the top part, the neck and the sleeves, just use it to clean. Could use it from the car, a shop rag, clean the dirt from when you work on the car, oil, wash it and reuse it. So this is how you upcycle an old t-shirt. Reuse an old t-shirt, don't throw it away. It cleans the dust. It cleans the dust perfectly. You can even start the computer. It cleans the dust perfectly. You could even use the t-shirt as it is without cutting anything from it. But then there is the risk that you might wear the t-shirt with holes in case you don't realize. So better cut it like this in squares. Thanks for watching.